Hi friends, this video shows how to allow install unknown apps and fix app not installed error. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to privacy. Go down, set security. Here you can see two options: scan apps with Play Protect, improve harmful app detection. If we enable the second option, improve harmful app detection, device will automatically send all unknown apps to Google for better scanning. So it will say you cannot install this app from unknown source. So if you are trying to install app from unknown source, better turn off this option. You can also turn off this first option. Just turn off these two options, so that way you can allow installation of apps from unknown sources and fix app not installed error. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.